Hello baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Riley, it's nice to meet you, and welcome back or welcome to. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button because it would mean a lot to me. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do natural makeup, how to go from this to this. So yeah, if you want to keep learning how to do that, then keep on watching.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be going with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and I'm going to be putting it all over my face. This is a silicone based primer. It's very moisturizing. It's very good at covering up texture and pores. I'm going to be using the Burts Bees Skin Skills Liquid Makeup with 2 pumps, and I'm going to take it and dot it all over my face just to make sure it gets foundation everywhere that needs to be. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend this out seamlessly just to make sure it looks like it's blended into the skin and not on the skin, whereas that's what a full coverage foundation would be like. And this is a very natural makeup look, so you want it to look like everything's coming from within your own skin. Now I'm going to use this L'Oreal, not yet. I'm going to use this L'Oreal CC Lift Concealer on my mouth, on my upper lip, and under my eyes just to add some brightness. I'm going to go very light-handed with my beauty blender because I want to have as much coverage with it as possible. It's a very light coverage concealer, but it's a very pretty formula the way it sits on the skin. And now I'm going to be using a little bit of airspun. I'm going to be dusting this very slightly because I don't want it to look too smooth and too edited and facetune. I want it to look very natural, like it's coming from within my skin, like I said. This is the Booster Bronzer, and this is just a random brush. I'm going to be using it to bronze the perimeter of my face and add a little bit of definition back into the skin. I really enjoy this bronzer since I'm very pale, and I like to use this a lot during the fall and during the winter because it just adds warmth back into my complexion. I'm gonna keep going on the perimeter of my face and on my jaw just to chisel that out. I tend to kind of go heavy, and I kind of go heavy with it because I want it to look very tan. I like to be tan because I think it makes me look very healthy and very glowy and natural. And I'm contouring my nose with the same bronzer, the same brush. I'm just giving a little slight definition. Doing my brows off camera. I'm going to be using the Loreal Pro eyeshadow primer. I kind of used a lot. I didn't really mean to, but it'll be okay because it'll make the eyeshadow more pigmented. It's a very good primer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Natural Love palette. I'm using the shade Honey Pot, and I'm going to just put this all over my lid and all up almost to my brow bone, and I'm going to be using windshield wiper motions to blend this out and make it look very seamless. Now the trick with this shadow is to make it dip in and then pat. I usually pat then blend with the shadows that I want to be more pigmented. I'm using the shade Don't Settle and Chocolate Martini to deepen up the crease and the outer V. Now I'm going in with a very small brush to get more definition and more precision within the crease to make it look a little bit more precise and give myself more of that sunken in effect. And now I'm going down on my bottom lash line and smoking it out just a little bit with the same shade Don't Settle. Now I'm using all the shimmery light shades on that side of the palette, on my lid, and on my inner corner just to prep for the highlighter that I'm going to be putting on my inner corner later. Now I'm going to use a lash curler. This one's from Dollar Tree. It really doesn't matter. Lash curler. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Originals and just the shade called Charcoal Black. I wear a lot of mascara because I like for my eyes to be very my lashes to be very long and big, even when I'm not wearing lashes. So now I'm going with my favorite blush. This is the CoverGirl blush in the shade Natural Glow. I discontinued this one a long time ago, but I love it so much. It's such a beautiful blush. So dewy. I'm kind of going a little heavy with this blush because I want it to be a very blushy look. So now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is such a good, amazing highlighter. It's literally only $4 at Walmart. You should totally get it. It's such an amazing highlighter. You really want to look at it. Look how blinding. Look at it. And you can just enjoy it. It's so cheap. I would recommend it. And I'm putting it in my inner corners and on my brow bone. And I'm using the Estee Lauder Rubelite lipstick. I'm putting this on the inner part of my lips. I'm just smudging it out to the outer points.
Okay, also, so that is the finished look. Of course, you know, if you wanted to amp this up just a little bit more, you could add some lashes. But I decided not to because I don't really think I need it because my lashes are already pretty long enough. So, you know, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you do try to recreate this look, please tag me on my Instagram, which will be listed down below. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. Guys that liked this video, and if you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Alright, bye.